Hey guys, it's been a while since I posted a video here in my channel and I've been away after that. So there are lots of changes happened in the past months ever since 2021 started, and some were good and some were a bit depressing. I've been not completely honest with all of you, so here I am. I'll tell you the story behind all of it for the past months. So I've been really blessed the start of the year when I was hired as a Shopify web designer and developer to this big e-commerce company. So back then, my goal is to learn Shopify more so I can cater it as well to my clients, to my future clients, especially during this pandemic that there are lots of emerging e-commerce worldwide. So the company was good. My teammates were nice, were good. The pay was okay. The workflow is also good. So my tasks were not hard because I'm allowed to watch training modules at the same time while working, and so I thought to myself that this is really good because I'm learning while earning. So months had passed. I'm still working for them. I'm earning, I can say, a bit big because it's full-time for them, working full-time for them. So I save lots of earnings and even bought some upgrades to my workstation and to my tools. Then on March, it was after my birthday that I felt something wrong with my life. I'm not sure, maybe because it's because of the so-called middle life crisis. So there were times that I couldn't sleep. I'm crying a lot, and I'm just weak to move on with my life. So every morning I already feel tired. And during those times, I just prayed for those feelings to go away. Then it was middle of April that I knew I had to relax for a bit and just focus and reflect in what's going on with me. So I had to urgently resign to the company, and it was really sad, but at the same time I felt relieved because my brain will be relaxed for the meantime, especially my work schedule, my routine. And so it's been a month of no client relationship, no work, no projects, and I'm just glad that I have enough savings or earnings for the past work or projects, and of course I have to pay my personal bills and expenses. So that time I felt really, really sick. Like after I wake up, looking at my workstation, my computer, I felt like I have to vomit. Really honest. I'm just felt really tired, exhausted, and in Tagalog, nakakaumay tingnan yung computer every time I wake up. So there are weeks and I didn't really turn on my computer or browse my emails or what's happening to social media. Also, my family, my siblings, my partner, they were all saying that I'm just too workaholic, so I just needed to take some time off. So fast forward, talking with all of you here in my channel in YouTube, I'm already feel good. I'm feeling motivated, inspired, and I think I'm ready to do things, to do those creative stuff. And I'm also starting some creative posts in my Instagram again, and also started my TikTok, but it's been a while now since I last posted a video there on TikTok. So I'll continue posting some stuff there too. And also I'm thankful to my family that they're always supporting me with what's happening in me, with what's happening in my career, my family, siblings, partner. So yeah. So during those times, I'm not sure, or maybe I'm just denial that I'm on that depressive state, but medically stated or something like that. I'm not sure if that's the symptoms of it, but yeah, I'm just so glad that I'm feeling better now. And of course, prayers really help. So there are still times and moments that I feel a bit sad, lonely, and depressed. But yeah, talking to my family really helps. Talking to my partner every day, to what's going on with my life, with my career, it really helps. And of course, prayers do wonders. Taking some time off helped me think of what I should be focusing on. So I'm currently studying and upskilling with the help of my mentor, Michael Janda, if you know him on Instagram. And also I'm learning Webflow, and I know it will be a huge upgrade to my web design and development career. So I'm still working into launching my new website out of Webflow, of course, and hopefully it will be out this coming October, so better watch it out. And of course, I will be publicly announce it here on YouTube and my other social media. So I'll share my process to what I've done on my website using Webflow. So I'll update you with that. So I wanted to get this channel active and moving. So let's just say this will be the version 3.0. So more of my career or journey. I wanted you guys to be one of the witness every time I close a deal or a project, and if they allow me to share the process of how I create their brand or website. We will be also creating concept projects, and I felt guilty, and I do apologize if I haven't continued the past series of the portfolio website, but I hope that you will still continue to support me here on this new version out of Webflow development. Of course, more web design development out of Webflow so we can all learn and at the same time have fun. Aside from that, I'll be sharing more tech reviews, those gadgets that I'm using, my workstation, my tools, and share my feedbacks and the benefit of using it and something like that. Also, more freelancing tips related to graphics, UI, UX, web design, and development. Something like how to write a proposal, how to submit, how to connect with clients, how to get more clients, or something like that. So it's really nice posting again here in YouTube, and I am deeply thankful for all of your continued support. So that's it for now. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and of course subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. See you on the next one. Bye!